Hello, guys, and welcome back to another post-market analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. It's been an excellent day in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. In both, we have seen a very good trending momentum. So, in this video, let's talk about Nifty and Bank Nifty on a daily chart. And this is the daily chart of Nifty. After covering the daily chart, to understand how it's likely going to be and what's the wider picture of both these indexes, and we'll quickly go to the intraday time frame of both Nifty and Bank Nifty and see if there's anything that we can learn and what are the key takeaways and which could have worked better while looking at today's price action. So let's start with this first. This is Nifty's chart on a daily time frame, right? So this is today's price action. That's April 29th. As you can see, it has performed extremely well. It's an average sized green candle and it has given us a close above these two candles, and also it has been in the last 1 week or so, it has been the fresh high, the fresh close, and it has got the higher low as well. So all things are looking positive, and also one more thing is we are talking about this gap in the past week. So if I just drag it towards the right, now you can see that earlier it gave us a close up of this, but then struggled with this dark cloud cover pattern. It has closed into this, but then again, with today's market opening, we have seen a fresh uh, close above this area. But the thing is, see, we are at this resistance area. See, we are in a positive market for sure, even though after this correction movement. So right from here, we have seen a good, even though we are seeing couple of red candles here and there. Until we cross this area, it was little skeptical, but after crossing this, we have again gone into this area, and again we are out of this. So things are looking okay. But the only thing concern is this resistance area. So if this crosses, so in the Bank Nifty, we have already crossed the all-time high today. Is in today's market, we'll see that chart after this. But you see, it's very close to this resistance area. Whether let's hope that this is going to go uh, going above this swing high, or it may also pull Bank Nifty down. We are yet to find out, but things are looking quite positive here. See, all this momentum has given us a clue quite back. Okay, with this. Okay, so these two, this red candle and this green candle, both these put together, it's called a candlestick pattern called a piercing pattern, which is a reversal sign, which is a bullish reversal sign after a downside momentum, and that has come at a very important key location, that is at this rising trend line. Okay, this is drawn based on these points. Okay, now we are almost still there, so we are this especially helped a lot, but the only concern for quite some time was this. Now it is officially out of that, but it's better to see one more candle after that, because even last time we have seen after that, this red candle has left us with some doubt there. But this green candle today has given us a close up of this, which is a very good sign, because this is supposed to act as a resistance area, the high of these two candles, but that was taken down with today's price action. But still, it's better to see one more candle. So that's looking pretty good, pretty positive on the Nifty daily time frame. Let's quickly change this to the Bank Nifty chart. In the Bank Nifty chart, it was out of the charts. Okay, let me remove this green line. All right, so here you can see the price action. So starting from there, it has gone all the way till there. Okay, and it has again seen a pullback. Okay, all these lows are holding right from this point. Okay, so this low was holding, this low is holding, this low is holding, this low is holding, and again it has broken this high, and even it has formed a fresh low there. This is in the Bank Nifty. Sorry, in the Nifty it was a piercing pattern, but here in this case it was almost bullish engulfing pattern, and now we have officially crossed and given us a close about that. So it's in a very good positive moment in Bank Nifty. But the thing is, in Nifty, we are yet to cross this high. In the Bank Nifty, we have already crossed this. So now, in order to prove that it is a solid breakout, genuine breakout, we need to see another candle close with a higher high, with a higher close, preferably. If that happens, it's a good sign for the bank nifty towards the upper side, but if not, if it gives any, if it fails and if it closes below, then it's not that good. And also the concern is, see here in the nifty chart, we are yet to see, we are little far away from this high, previous swing high. It's not only previous swing high, it's the all-time high in the nifty chart. So we have to wait and see. So things are looking better, things are looking positive in both nifty and bank nifty chart. So let's hope for the best in the coming days. There is nothing alarming which is shouting or screaming towards the downside. The only thing is that you have to be a little careful with the nifty chart because you are very close to the swing high. All right. So let's now change our chart to the 5 minute time frame. Let's start with the bank nifty. All right. Let me also turn on the session break so that we understand. Yes, so that we understand the difference between the days. Okay, so here, this is the dotted line which tells us that the Bank Nifty has started from there. So the starting candles itself in the Bank Nifty, the first three candles has given us a pretty good sign that these are positive candles with very little upper and lower shadows, especially in the second and third candles. Okay, the only first candle has some shadow towards the upper side, but these three candles is also called as a candlestick pattern called uh, three white soldiers, which is a continuous pattern. And the continuous pattern before that is, see, it was in an uptrend, so obviously the trend is going towards the upper side. And see, the last working day we have seen a pretty sharp a hammer candle there, which is also a reversal sign. But then look closely what happened today. See, after we have seen a pullback here. Okay, we have seen a pullback here, but by then we know that this could act as resistance. And see, it has given us a break above this resistance with a confirmation candle as well, right there. Okay, let me change that to some dotted line. So we have seen a confirmation candle there. So now if you look at this chart on the left, so we don't have any major what do you say, resistance levels on the left apart from this level. Okay, so that could have been one level, and there is small gap there, and that could have been next level. So at this close, see, at this close what happened, it has tried to go all the way till there, but after that, see, first of all, risk versus reward ratio is little concern here. Why? Because you see, your risk could have been below this earlier resistance area, now support area, right? And your reward should have been only this, but here it's not looking that great. Okay, but if you just ignore this, okay, nothing, it's okay even if you miss some momentum. But if you ignore that and if you mark your next resistance level, which is this level, okay, here you have seen a breakout but you have failed to see a confirmation candle. But by now, after this pullback, you know that this is going to act as resistance. But after this resistance, you see, this is the confirmation candle and this is your stop loss, and that's your target. So in this case, here your stop loss is less and here your target is more. So this could have been your best pick. It's okay to ignore the momentum. You don't have to worry about all the momentum. You can no one can make use of no one can benefit from every candle market produces. That's okay. So this could have been one great momentum, and after that it has given us a breakout, and it has gone all the way high because that's already trading at the high time, right? So the only round numbers here, that's 49,200, 300, 400 levels, only they could have acted as resistance areas. So that's how the bank nifty's chart is today. And coming back to the nifty's chart, see here, nifty it's very clearly telling us that this is the first resistance sign. You have come out of that, but then you see you have no confirmation candle there. And again, this could have been your another resistance area. That could have been your another resistance area where this red candle is not closed below this. If it was, then it was a different story towards the downside target till there. But he, see here, you have seen a positive breakout, and that was your confirmation candle. Now if I look at this chart on the left, your target is pretty high because your swing reaction on the left is pretty high. So from here, if you check your risk versus reward ratio, with this as your stop loss under this and with that as your target, definitely it's better than your bank nifty, because here your risk versus reward ratio is playing at 2.1 times. Okay, so that means it's a very good moment. So here you should have definitely got benefited out of this momentum. So some might have argued that, see, you have entered here, so from there it has made some high and again it has come back, and by the time it has come here, it is better to re-alter your target to this level. Yes, but then by now you should also, maintain your stop loss from cost to cost. If you are trailing, then it's good, you would have made this target, but if you are not, you would have exited that, but it's okay. Staying without any loss in the market is also a good sign. But this is how you could have traded today both bank nifty and nifty using 5 minute time frame, and we have already covered how things are looking on a daily time frame. So that's it, guys. Hope you have understood something from today's video. If you have any concerns, please do let us know in the comment section, and see you in another video. And until then, happy trading, and thank you so much for uh, being throughout the video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you.